Hi everyone, welcome back to Timmy Tools. Today we are going to dive into a really important topic in biostatistics, the types of data and measurement scales. Knowing this will help you choose the right statistical test and understand your research better. So let's get started. What is data? Simply put, data are facts, numbers and observations we collect during research. These can come from lab experiments, surveys, or field studies. Data is what we use to describe, explain, and draw conclusions about the biological world. So, why do scales of data matter? Here is why data is important. The scale or type of data you have will influence the kinds of graphs you will make and the statistical test you can use. Think of data scales like different tools, and you have to pick the right one for the job. Getting this right is key to making sure that your analysis is valid and meaningful. In biostatistics, we usually classify data into 4 major types of scales: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Each one tells us different things and has its own rules. Let's look at each in detail. First up is the nominal data. Nominal data are just categories or labels. There is no order or ranking here. It is purely about naming or classifying. Think of blood types like A, B, AB, and O, or gender like male and female, or hair color. One is not greater than another. They are just different categories. Next, we have ordinal data. Ordinal data also involve categories, but with a clear order or ranking. Examples include pain levels, which can be mild, moderate, severe, or grades like A, B, C, or first, second, third, or a satisfaction survey like satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied. With ordinal data, you know the exact order, but you can't say exactly how much higher or lower one is compared to the next. Now, let's talk about interval data. Interval data are numeric and have equal intervals between values, which means we can do arithmetic with them, like addition and subtraction, but they do not have a true zero. A good example is temperature. Let's say in degrees Celsius, with temperature 0 degrees C, doesn't mean there is no temperature. It's just another point on the scale. That is why ratios don't make sense, and 20 degrees C is not twice as hot as 10 degrees C. Finally, we have the ratio data. This is the most complete scale. Ratio data have equal intervals and also a true 0 point. We can do all kinds of maths including ratios. Examples include height, weight, age, and distance traveled, whereas 0 actually means none of the thing we are measuring. For example, 0 kg really means 0 weight, and 20 kg means twice as much as 10 kg. That is what a true 0 gives you. So, let's quickly summarize these 4 types in a table so you can clearly see the differences. From nominal, which can't be ordered, all the way up to ratio, which lets you do the most maths. Remember these 4 types and you will always know what you are dealing with when you look at data. Alright, time for a quick practice. Let's look at 5 examples. Can you identify what kind of data each one is? 1. Eye color. 2. Moving ratings from 1 star to 5 stars. 3. Year of birth. 4. Blood pressure readings. And 5. Distance traveled in kilometers. Pause the video if you need more time to think. We'll check the answers in the comment section after the video. Drop your guesses below. Now, here is the key takeaway for today. Nominal data means names and categories only. Ordinal data means ordered categories. Interval data means numeric with equal intervals but no true zero. Ratio data means numeric with true zero and full mathematics applies. Keep these distinctions in mind. They will make your research and your stats analysis much clearer. So that's it for this episode. Next up, we are going to explain descriptive statistics, which includes mean, median, and mode. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to catch the next video. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with a friend. See you in the next lesson on Timmy Tools, and thanks for watching.